Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We've been traveling all day to the beach and I'm so excited. I love the beach. It's my favorite place to go during the summer. Wilmington, North Carolina, and we'll be in Wrightsville Beach and we'll also be in Carolina Beach. It's super fun. I love the beach. Throughout this video, you'll be seeing our Sock City Coconut Socks summer vibes. We splurged when we were on vacation. What about you guys? They're so cute, perfect for the summer. So many cute summer options for the summer. Find our socks at sockcity.com. All right, guys, that's it for the video today. Hope you guys loved it. And comment down below, what's your favorite summer activity, or do you like the beach? If you're anything like me, you love the beach. But thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.